Alrighty, yo, what's the word? What's up? What it is, what it ain't? Alexander Fresco here, also known as Visuals AF, and today we're going to be shooting the cover for my newest single, Take a Ride. I'm excited about it. I can't wait for you all to hear it. But first, we gotta have some cover art. So I decided, let's do some self-portraits with some cover art. Yeah, here in Jackson, Mississippi, and we're gonna do our thing. So let's do that. Let's get this car up in here. Let's, create a scene, create a vibe. So no people won't slide up on the niggas, But yeah, let's get it poppin', make it happen, and yeah. Alright, for sure. So look, these are some of the inspirations I had for the shoot. As you can see, a lot of colors, a lot of different vibes going on, and I'm just trying to recreate those same kind of scenes. And yeah, I feel like I can do that, so I'm confident. So let's make these right here pop and get some of those same interactions for me as well, you know what I'm saying? So let's do that. Whew. So alright, so this is gonna be the first scene. I'm gonna do a couple of different scenes and just go from there and just see what I can come up with. So I'm gonna try to do like a couple of different scenes, a couple of different like the inspirations that I showed you all, and yeah, just gonna go from there. So this is what we got. So got the red one, got the green one. Kind of just wanted to play around with different colors and whatnot, and just kind of see what I got. Also, I got my aperture light as well. It's also magnetic, but it's not magnetic as right here. But it's like a portable light. Got the magnets right there and right there, and just a little extra filler light, so it'll look like like that or whatever. But yeah, the song is called Take a Ride, and I'm just trying to come up with some different kind of ways to incorporate that. Hold on. So of course it's gonna be dark. Darken all that out. Yeah, I'm gonna darken all this out. Make it darker in camera and whatnot, or in post. But yeah, this is what we got so far, and yeah, let's do it on up. All right, so pretty much it's gonna be about finding balance, finding exactly what I want to see. Whatever works, whatever doesn't, just gonna adjust it. But yeah, I'm excited. Gonna take a ride with a nigga. I can take you high, come get fly with a nigga. Put all these to the side, actually. Take everything out my pocket, put that over there. And it wouldn't be Alexander Fresco without the Fresco glasses. You feel me? You understand me? These bitches dirty as fuck, and they fall on my face. I ain't worn these bitches in so long. That's how long it's been since a nigga put out music. I probably shouldn't do that, but fuck it, who cares? And actually, I'm finna button this up as well. I just want like a different look. I kind of want to do it the same way how I did my my promo pictures for when I dropped Neon Nights. But the project I'm about to drop, or hopefully I can drop this year, whenever I get some money in my pocket. It's gonna be called Neon Dream, and it's gonna be like a follow-up to Neon Nights. So kind of giving out the same kind of vibes. So if y'all like the song that's playing in the background, it's gonna be, I got some of those similar kind of vibes that I dropped in 2018. Yeah, these is gotta bend these things. Bend them back. Flip ups. Okay, what am I gonna do? Still going up. What's going on? Okay, let's fix this. And if they break, they'll break. Oh well, you know, I just do it without it. Yeah. But you know, if you know how Alexander Fresco get down. Back in the day. I really wouldn't even say back in the day because it wasn't even that long ago. Probably about four. When I was on my run. Okay, for sure. I think I done bended them back to how they was or how they used to be. Cool. Yeah, they on there. Ain't going nowhere. Alright, cool. Yeah, this really ain't working. Ooh, cha. I just need one. Let's switch it up. Okay, let's see. How can we make this happen? How can we make this pop? Let me set this here. now we're getting somewhere. Okay. You know what I'm missing this whole fucking time? My God, this is in the Frisco glasses. Let's see if this makes a difference. Let's see if this makes a difference. It should though. I think that's the one. Let's see. That's the one. I think I got the one I'm actually going to use. I think we got it. All right, so I think we have it. I think we have the shot, and this is the shot that we're gonna go for. The final edit is here. The final edit is right there, and I thank y'all for rocking with me, coming along with me for this process. And until the next one, Visuals AF is here, and make sure you all go listen to my new single, Take a Ride. Yeah, thank y'all.
Bill.